So, you want to use Libresprite on Windows? Well, you've come to the right place. Hey guys, welcome back to TutsByKai. I'm Kai, and today we are back once again. And it's been brought to my attention from multiple different people that there is now an executable file for Libresprite. So you can actually install it on Windows without having to compile it yourself, like, a regular program it does for you. So there's actually an installer now. So down in the description there will be a link for libresprite.github.io, which is the official installer for the Windows version and Linux version and Mac version of Libresprite, which is very cool. I want to make a specific video on it because it's been a long time coming, and a lot of people ask me about it all the time, how to compile it on Windows, how to install on Windows, and this is it now. You don't have to compile. You can go to the GitHub, and it's right there, and there's actually a version. There's the Mac version, I believe, is coming soon. But there is a Windows version and a Linux version. So that is literally it. I just really wanted to tell you guys about this. Go and get it on Libresprite. It's free. Get it on Windows, sorry. It's free, you know this much. But yeah, so that is it for today's video. I will see you, ladies and gentlemen, in the next one. But until then, bye-bye.